I hit this issue to date and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you've noticed something unusual on Phemex, reporting it is straightforward. Here is how to do it step by step. Step 1. Log into your Phemex account. Start by accessing your Phemex account using your credentials. This is necessary to ensure you have the right permissions to report any issues. Step 2. Navigate to the support section. Once logged in, look for the support or help section in the main menu. This is where you can find options for reporting issues. Step 3. Select Report Suspicious Activity. In the support section, find the option specifically for reporting suspicious activity. This will direct you to the appropriate reporting form. Step 4. Fill out the reporting form. Provide all necessary details about the suspicious activity you observed. Be as specific as possible to help the support team understand the issue. Now, if you're unsure about what to include, mention the date and time of the suspicious activity to give context. Step 5. Submit your report. After filling out the form, review your information and hit the Submit button. You should receive a confirmation that your report has been sent. If you follow these steps, you'll be able to report any suspicious activity on Phemex quickly and effectively. Don't hesitate to reach out if you have any questions.